my love. What are you doing here, baby? What are you doing here? Vamos, let's go. Look, it's really cold. It's 26 now and it's windy. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna make sure the goats have more hay. Been checking on them. Come on, girl. Yeah, and they have feet too. Guys, first snow storm of the season, November 22nd, 2024. Hi, girls. Look at this mess. Oh my goodness. Check out this. Okay, we're gonna do some cleaning here. Hi, Pepe. This is more water. I see you still got water. I brought warm water in the morning. So let's organize this a little bit and clean up. Here's Carmela shaking me out because she knows I got cookies. So, but they still have food. They haven't eaten all. I brought extra food. Still on the feeders. So they're good. I'm just gonna give them a little bit more hay and put some more on the floor here. That way they stay warm. Let me get the cookies out. This is very, very comfortable, guys, when it's windy and the, you know, the snow is hitting your face. This is great. It's like a Eskimo coat. Look, Manola, it's in a romantic mood with Pepe. Yeah. Okay, got cookies here. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Here. No se pongan pesadas. Espérate, Nubi. Oh, Manola. The cookie. Come on. Pepe, you want cookie? You don't want any? Okay. Pepe, it's not very happy with the snow. Marina. Okay. Oh, my hands. Caliéntame la mano, Camela. So cold. My hands. Oh, look at my hands. Okay. ¿Quién más? Ven, Iva. A ver, Nubi, quítate en medio. Iva, ¿quiere? Bebé? Iva has her lead at the bottom shorter than the upper one, and it's more difficult for her to grab the cookie. But when she really wants, she gets it. Abre la boca. Nubi. Vamos. Ni modo, coge la mela. Esto es para Iva. Out of the way. Come on, Iva. Open. Open your mouth, girl. Open. Iva, coge. Coge, bebé. Coge tu galletita. Ahí. Eso es. Mastica. Vamos. Good girl. She got it. Good girl. Good. Iva, termonga. This is bedding. Okay, bedding. You guys behave. Look. All right, heading back home now. I made chicken soup yesterday, so we're gonna have chicken soup for dinner. And everybody here is fine. I hope they don't fight too much. When they're in a confined place, they always fight, and I don't like that, but that's the way it is. Sometimes I try to separate them, but they suffer that too, so that's not a good thing. With goats, they understand each other. You just have to make sure when they have babies, they don't hurt their babies. And when they're little ones like this one, well, this one is not that little. She's 9 months already. But you have to keep an eye on them because they could hurt each other sometimes. That's important. But anyway, everybody's good. They have extra hay. I add extra bedding to the floor. They got water. Gonna get back now and collect the eggs. Oh, what's going on here? Oh my God, look at all the snow that came inside through there. Everybody okay? Still got water? Still got water. Let me refill the water. Snowing a lot today. I got that heat lamp and this one here. So they got two. I just opened that window because the wind is going that way and the snow is not going to come through that window, and they need ventilation. Even though it's so cold outside, if you don't keep ventilation inside your coop, chickens will get sick. So they had that small vent there. That window is closed because too much snow is coming inside, but that one there is open. As you see, there's snow at the bottom, but doesn't matter because they need that ventilation. They have all this side there. This side is kind of crowded, I'll say. They're all here, but they're fine. They're still going outside from time to time. They can go from one side to the other. Okay, let's see. There's only one here. Oh, they're warm. These ones are cold, but the other one is warm. Okay. Let's see. Girl, I need your eggs. Let's see. See what you got there. Yeah, we got some more here. Yeah. 2 more. All right, let's go on the other side to see what we got. Don't get angry, okay? That one pecks, so I get it out of the nest because she pecks. It's okay. Shh, ve para allá. Shh. It's okay, don't get angry. Hey, she wants to eat the eggs. How about this one? Are you good? No. She's gonna peck me. So, this one's, what I do is I get it out of the, like that, and that's it. Ooh, we got so many there. See? It's okay, don't go back in there yet. Wait, stay there. Wait, stay there. All right. Got it all now. You can go back. Go back, it's fine. Go back. So good. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? It's okay, I'm leaving already. I just want my eggs. Those are my eggs. I'm leaving already. Goodbye. Look how beautiful the night is. I just cleaned a little bit here. My husband is cleaning the driveway. Hey, Milo. Milo boy, come inside. Look how many eggs I got, guys. Milo, come here, boy. Tutuy, mira cómo hay nieve, ven. Ven, que te llenas todo de nieve. Vamos, entra. Tomorrow, you go out tomorrow, okay? So, tomorrow you go outside.